Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Code with Surya Official. Today we are diving an exciting project building an awesome Netflix sign-off website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's jump right in and create something amazing together. So let's get started. So now I am in the Visual Studio Code editor and here I created a folder name is Netflix sign-off. Inside this folder I have another folder name is images. Inside this images folder you can see one background image is there and one logo image is there. So let's create our HTML file and the HTML file name is index.html. To get the HTML boilerplate we have to write exclamation mark plus enter. So it will generate this boilerplate. So first I need to change the Netflix title. Netflix India hyphen source watch TV shows. Okay, so before that I need to check the official website. This is the official website of Netflix. Here you can see in the left side this Netflix logo is there. In the right side one select drop down is there and another button is there for sign in. Okay, you can click here English and Hindi. Two options are there. Okay, in the below some text are there, input field is there and one button is there. Okay, so let's create our website. But before that we need to create this title with this shortcut icon. So already I created this title. Now I have to create the shortcut icon. For that I need to write link relation is shortcut icon and href. I need to put this link. I'll close this window so that you can easily see. Let's save it and check it in our website. This is the official website for Netflix and this is our Netflix website. You can see. Okay, this is done. Next, create a div with a class name is container. So dot container enter. Inside this container we have a navbar. So for that we need to write the nav. Inside this nav we have a image src images folder. Images we have a logo netflix.png and alternate text is logo. So save it and check it. This is very big. We need to reduce its size. This is the left one and now I need to write for the right side. For that I need to create one div with a class name right side and in right side we have a two options are there. Drop down sign in button. For the drop down we need to write select and the class name is drop down and it's have two options. For that I need to write option multiplied by 2. So the first one is English, so below is English and we need to put this option as a English and the second one is Hindi and option also Hindi. So the next one is button and the class name is btn sign dash in and the text will be sign in. Save it and check in the browser. So for now we just reduce its width so you people can easily watch. 100 and you can see English and Hindi and we have another button sign in. Let's move to the next section. So the next section is the text area. You can see here the text area is there in the official Netflix website. So for that we need to create one div with a class name box. So inside this box we have a h1 tag. Inside this h1 tag we need to write this text. So let's copy this text and paste it here. Next we have a h3 tag. Inside this tag just copy this text, watch anywhere, cancel anytime and paste it here. Next option is create one paragraph. Inside this paragraph you have to copy this text for this membership, paste it here, save it, check it. All the text is coming here. We need to create this input box with this button. Okay, so for that we need to create one form and the action is as, so it will not redirect to any page and the class name is sign up form. So inside this form we have a div and the class name is form control and inside this form control we have a input box, and we have a placeholder, and the placeholder is email address, and it is a required field. Okay, and second option is a button. We have a get started button, get started with this icon, and the button class name is btn sign on, and the button type is submit. The structure is ready. Now we need to create a CSS file, and let's design for this structure. So let's target our container class. Here you can see inside this container we have a image, that logo is there, and left side the logo is there, and the right side we have a drop down with this sign in button is there. So let's target this container class. Width is 100%, height is 100 bh, and we need to put the background image, linear gradient, we need to put a RGBA color. For that I need to write 0,0,0,0.7. Again I need to copy this RGBA color, paste it once. After that I need to put this URL. In this URL I need to put my background image. So our background image is inside this images folder, and you can see bgnetflix.jpg is our background image. Background repeat, no repeat. Background size is cover. Background position, cover and cover. Let's save it and check in the browser. The image is coming here. Again we need to give some padding, 2% from top and 10% from left and right. Save it and check it. You can see top is 2% and left and right is 10%. Okay. So next step is we need to target our neighbor. You can see the original website. Left side is some gap is there, right side also some gap is there. So now we need to create this neighbor. Let's go to the HTML file, and you can see here name tag is there. Come to the CSS file, and let's target the name. Display flex, align item center, justify content, space between. Save it and check it. You can see the Netflix logo is coming in the left, and the drop down with this button is coming in the right, and we have some gap left side and right side. So next we will target our logo. You can see we have an image. So here you can see whenever I write this HTML code, at the time I just put this width 100. I need to remove from here, save it and check it. This is very big. So now we will fix in the CSS file. For that we need to target this logo class. Width is 150 pixel and cursor pointer. Save it and check it. This looks fine. Okay, so let's take care about this right side panel. Okay, so for that we have a class called right side. So copy this one and just target this class inside this CSS file. Display flex, align item center, justify content center. Next we will target our drop down class. Drop down, we need to give some padding. Top and bottom is 5 pixel and left and right should be 12 pixel. Border radius is 3 pixel. Color is white color. Font size is 16 pixel. Font weight bold. Background color is transparent. Save it and check. This looks fine. We start writing CSS for this sign in button. For that we have a class called sign in button, but before that you can see we have a btn class. So let's target this btn class first. This is a utility class, so let's target this btn class first. And the btn is we need to remove border from each and every button. Border is none, color is white, and the background color is RGBA color 229, 9 and 20. Save it and check it. Here you can see style is applied for this sign in button and this get started button, because you can see here this button is in the both classes. Here you can see this sign in button also, and in the below get started button also. That's why it is applied for this both classes. You can see here in the official website, if I hover this sign in button and this get started button, the background color also changed. So in our side it is not changed. For that we need to do, so let's write the hover effect. So let's target this button with a pseudo class is hover. Okay, and the background color is red color. Save it and check it. You can see it is changed. Okay, here you can see mouse pointer is not changing. So for that we need to write cursor pointer. Save it and check it. You can see now it is changed. Here you can see here also changed. Okay, so next we will target this sign in class. For that I need to write dot sign in. Padding is top and bottom is 8 pixel and left and right is 12 pixel. Border radius is 3 pixel and margin left 18 pixel. Save it and check it. Now it looks fine. So our navbar is completed. Okay, so let's target this text with this input box and this get started button. Okay, so for that we need to target this box class. So let's target our box class. So for that I need to write dot box and the width is 100%, position is absolute, top 50% and left 50%. Transform, translate, minus 50%, comma minus 50%. Text align center and margin top 50 pixel. Save it and check in the browser. You can see our text is in the middle of the screen. So let's target our text. Okay, so for that we have a h1 tag. You can see here inside this box we have a h1 tag. I need to target this h1 tag. So box h1 and the font size is 46 pixel, font weight is 800 and the line height is 100 pixel. Save it and check it in the browser. You can see, let me zoom out, let me zoom again so that you can see easily. Next we need to target this h3 tag. Okay, so for that again I have to write dot box h3 and the font size is 30 pixel, font weight is 400, margin button 25 pixel. Save it and check it in the browser. This is working fine. Okay, so let's target our paragraph. For that we have a p tag. So dot box p and we need to change the font size. Font size is 25 pixel. Font size is 20 pixel. Save it and check it. So this is also looks fine. So let's target our input box. So for that we have a form and the form class name is sign up form. Okay, let's target this class. Dot sign up form, margin top 25 pixel. Save it and check it in the browser. You can see this looks fine. Okay, now you can see in the sign up form we have this div, form control div. Okay, so in the form control class we have an input box. So let's target this input box. Dot form control input and width is 28%. Padding 14 pixel from top to bottom and 28 pixel from left and right. Border 1 pixel, solid white. Color is white and the background color is RGBA color 23, 23, 23 and 0.2. Save it and check it in the browser. You can see the input box looks good. Okay, you can see here email address and the input box here it is almost same. Okay, let's target this get started button. For that we have a button class btn hyphen sign up. You can see here we have a button class btn hyphen sign up. So let's target this class. Padding is from top and bottom 14 pixel and from right and left 28 pixel. Font size is 20 pixel, font size 20 pixel, border radius 4 pixel and border is none. Save it and check it. this looks good. We need to change one thing here. We need to put some margin here. Margin left 7%, 7 pixel. Save it and check it. This looks great. So you can see this is completed. So this looks amazing. You can see here, this looks almost same. Okay. This is all about this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really motivates me. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Code with Surya Official. Till then, keep smiling and happy coding. See you in the next video.